Hello everyone, welcome to Drive Your Logic. Today's topic is greater than, less than. So today we will learn how to put greater than sign and less than sign. So what is greater than sign? Come here, I'll show you. When some number is bigger, you put the open mouth towards that number. So this tells you the number is greater, and when we put the smaller mouth towards any number, the closed mouth, that time we say that is a smaller number, and the open mouth we will say as the bigger or larger number. So let's start. We all know this one, that 1 is less than 2, 2 is less than 3, 3 is less than 4, 4 is less than 5. In this way till 9 we all know. And if we don't know, the smaller kids, please learn in this way till 9. 1 to 9 if you know, then it will be very easy for us to do any number. Whether it is a small or it is a big number, doesn't matter. Okay? So we have to remember that 1 is less than 2, 2 is less than 3, less than means smaller. 2 is smaller than 3. Okay? Now, let's start. So, according to this table, this is very easy to do. 2 and 9. So, here comes 2, here comes 9. So, we know that 2 is smaller. So, smaller means the closed mouth will be towards this one and the open mouth towards the bigger number. In this way, we are going to do greater and lesser. We will put the sign. So, these are easy one. The single digit one, 9 and 5. So which is greater? 9 is greater and 5 is smaller. Now 2 digit. So before we do this one thing I will tell you, when you do for any larger digits, first you count the digit. If it is, suppose it is like this, 2 digit, 1 digit, of course the 2 digit is greater. Okay. Now suppose there are 2 digits in both the side. So when there is 2 digits in both the side, what you are going to do, you check the first one of both side. Okay. So the first one is 9 and the second one is 2. So which is greater? Of course 9. No need of going for the second one. So this is greater. See in this sum. So first we are going to see which is greater. 9 and this side also 9, same. This is 4, here also 4, same. Here is 3, here is 0. So which is greater? 3, because we know this table. Okay, so 3 is greater. Okay, we can put a 0 also before this. Okay, like this. So 3 is greater than 0. So this number is greater. You just do it in your mind. I'm just showing it to put a tick and do. Just do it in your mind. Don't put a tick. Now, this number, count the digits. Here is also 5 digit. Here is also 5 digit. Now 6, same 6. 9 is also here. 9 is also here, same. Then 2, but here it is 9. Okay, the third digit. See, here it is 2. Here it is 9. Which is greater? This one is greater. I hope it is easier for you all to understand. Okay, then comes here. See, here it is 5 digit, here it is 4 digit. So which is greater? Of course this is greater, because the digits are more here and here the digits are less. Okay, so these are for without point sums. Okay, now comes with the point. So decimal, I will tell you about decimal in one more video, but here I am showing you some sums on decimals. Same way you have to do this also. 8, 8, same. 9, 9, same. 2, 2, same. So what you will do now? See, that time when before point all the numbers are equal, go for the digits after the point. So after point your digit is 3. Oh my god, here is also same. After point the digit is 3. So then the second point, here it is 9, after point here it is 4. So you just take this two digit and compare 9 and 4. So we know from the table that 9 is greater than 4. So here 9 and 4. So of course this is greater than. 9 is greater than 4. Okay. Then 28.9. Yeah, 28.99. Now 2828 same. After point there is 9. After point there is 2 digit. Now you will get confused here that ma'am, here it is 3 digits, here it is 4 digit. Of course this is greater. Yes, that is greater. But then until and unless you put a 0 here, okay, you can't understand. Because in decimal there is a rule that after point you are not supposed to put a 0. So if there is no digit, you can imagine a 0 to make it equal digit. Okay, there is a point in decimal, okay, rule in decimal, which I will explain in another video. So if we are making it a like fraction after point 2 digit, after point 2 digit, now you check after point 9, after point 9, after point, both are same, then you go for the second one. Here it is 0, here it is 9. So which is greater? This is greater. Okay, this one. Same, see, 5 digit, but here it is 4 digit. Now you can say this is greater. Yes, that is greater. Now suppose there is some sums like this, 6.319, and here it is 69. So what you will say, here is also 4 digit, here is also 4 digit. Ma'am, which is greater? That time before point first you match 6 6 same, but then after 6 there is a point, but after 6 there is a 9. So which is greater? Forget about this one, forget about this one. That means this is greater. Clear? Why? Because this is 6.313 and this is 69.31. So after point there is 3 digits, you can add a 0 here, okay, to make it like fraction. And about the like fraction, as I told you, I will explain in another video. After point there must be equal number of digits. If there is no equal number of digits, you can put a 0 and make it equal. Okay, so before point 2 digit, before point 1 digit, that time you have to see that and do. So here is a greater than and less than, how to put it. In this video I have shown you. Okay, I hope you have understood the sums, and if you don't understand, if there is any confusion, please let me know in the comment section, then I will do it once again for you all. Thank you everyone. If you like my video, please don't forget to give a like and please share it and subscribe it. Thank you so much.